Hi guys, I'm Shreya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about me. Like I've got many DMs asking me what I am, where I am, where I am. I mean, what I am as a human being, but okay, where I am, what my interests are, blah blah blah. So in this video, I'm going to talk you through my journey of life, or maybe journey of me being me. So yeah, stay tuned and keep watching the video. I honestly don't even know where to start. Like, okay, so I'm going to start by telling you what happened to my phone and why I stopped filming and why I haven't been active on Instagram or YouTube. So one sec, my phone. Okay, so I have a phone. It is a Samsung A50. The previous phone I had, which broke and I couldn't upload videos, so that had a loose back cover. So when I was keeping the phone on top of the table, the phone just fell out of the socket of the back cover and it fell down. I thought, okay, because my phone's fallen a million times and hasn't got like any scratches, I thought, okay, it'll be fine. But I'm clicking the power button and it is not switching on. I got scared because I had like 6 videos aligned for the week and for my Instagram IGTV, and I was like, oh god, what am I to do? So then I kept pressing it, and then later the next day I went to the showroom because that was a Sunday, it got broke. Monday I went to the showroom and then they're like, screen ullen orange irukuma. I was like, what will I do? Like, and then I asked him how much will it be to repair the screen. He's like 4,500 to 5,000 rupees. So he's like, here we can't do it because this is just a showroom of Samsung. You go to the service center of the Samsung and then they will do it for you. So then he told me there's one in Nandanam. I went there, and then, oh my god, there was no social distancing. I got shit scared. I ran out of there and there were like 25 people standing in the line. This was around 4 o'clock. So the next day I thought, okay, I'll go at 10 o'clock, so that I thought there'll not be any people, not be any people, but maybe like 5 or 4 people. The next day also I went, there were around 30 people, 35 people standing till the ground floor. What do you call, the store is in the first floor. So there were 35 people and my dad was with me. So then me and my dad decided, okay, let's go to the T Nagar one. There's another showroom, the service center in T Nagar. We went there. I asked for a token. There was like almost nice social distancing and people used to use sanitizers and all. So I went there and I have an appointment for next Monday. That is, I think, the 1st of, no, not the 1st, the 3rd of August. My calendar is there. So yeah, the 3rd of August I have to go stand in the line and hopefully they get my phone ready. All I want is my pictures and my videos back. But most of all, I want my phone because I really love that phone. So yeah, I'm going to start doing my makeup. I'm going to talk about me. This is going to be an introductory video about me because I've got many DMs of asking me where I am, what my age is, what I do, what my future plans are and all. So while I do my makeup, I am going to talk to you guys about me. And also, I'm not going to mention my makeup. All the makeup products will be mentioned down below in the description box. So let's just get started with the makeup and talking about myself. Also, yeah, the phone I'm using right now is my dad's iPhone. He had an iPhone 6, so I'm using that for filming, and I'm using an old MI for WhatsApp and Instagram right now. So hopefully that works and my videos turn out well, and the editing. Also, if you guys are asking why I don't use a laptop for filming and editing, is because I don't own one. I have to buy one, and also I'm not buying one because I don't know how to edit in a laptop. So I have to learn that and then I'll start editing in a laptop. So yeah, talking about me, my name is Shreya. I do beauty videos, related videos. I do tips and tricks of videos, you can say. And yeah, I really love makeup. I've always loved doing makeup since I was a kid, so that's probably what got into my passion. But when I was a kid, like when I was in 11th and 12th, I actually wanted to become a psychologist. Can you believe it? A psychologist. So I thought, okay, there's a lot to study, let's ditch that and then just go towards my passion. So here we are. Yeah, so talking about myself, I am 21. I mean, I'm going to be 21 in September. So in case you're wondering, September 25th. So yeah, I'm a Libran. I'm a happy-go-lucky girl is what everyone's been telling me, but I really don't know. But I do like making people happy, and like I put them as my first priority, then myself. So yeah, I live in a joint family, nuclear family, I don't really know, but yeah, I live with my mom, dad, my dad's parents, like my grandmom and granddad, and they stay with me. If you haven't seen them, I'll probably make a video with them. My grandmom is bedridden. She's not doing that well, but she's getting better. My grandfather is a very, very, very like jolly kind of a person. He's not like most of the grandfathers out there. He likes pizzas, he likes pastas, he likes french fries, he likes candies, he likes whatnot. I can't even explain. So yeah, that's my little family story here. And yeah, I changed my school three times, yes. So yeah, the first school I was studying in was Chettinad Vidyashram, CV is what I call it. So yeah, I was studying in CV from 5th to I think ninth half, because I found math very difficult in CBSE. That was a CBSE school, so I found math like very tough. I'm not a girl who like can concentrate on studies and sit for hours and hours and study. So yeah, I shifted my school to KRMM, what's the name? Kumara Rani Meenamutty. It's the same branch of CV. So that is metric. So I joined there. I did my ninth other half and ninth other half and 10th there, and then 11th I went, and yeah, 11th I went back to CV because I wanted to do humanities. So went there, did my humanities, and humanities is, we had a sociology, psychology, we had legal. We could choose between legal, history, and I think another subject, I don't really know. So I did that. English and Hindi, obviously. So I found it very difficult there to cope up, because after studying in like metric, it was like really difficult to cope up, and the teachers were actually not that great in like understanding people who need special attention. So yeah, I changed my school. I came to this school called SKLC. It's an open schooling school. So yeah, I didn't have like, I could choose my subjects there. I didn't have like a fixed subject that you can take. So in 11th and 12th there I went. I mean, from 11th half I shifted to SKLC. So I did what I do? Mass communication. I did data entry operations. Arts and painting, home science. I also did psychology, and I don't really remember, but there were 6 subjects. Oh god. English was there 100%. There was no language, but English was definitely there. Yeah, I don't know, I don't really remember. I scored like very well in 12th. And yeah, and right now I'm in college. I am in SIT college. I'm a 3rd year. I don't think I'm passed out yet because of this pandemic. But yeah, I am a 3rd year student doing tourism and travel management. Talking about my department is very good. Like, they are the most lenient department in like the whole of the college, because my college is a Muslim college. So obviously there are some restrictions about dress code. I mean, not only Muslim colleges, but yeah, regular colleges also have like dress codes for girls. But my department is very like carefree types. I liked it. I mean, the teachers are nice, it's good and all that. So yeah, what else should I talk about me? I'm a makeup freak. In case you're wondering, in case you are one of my close friends who are watching this, you know what to gift me for my upcoming birthday. So yeah, keep it in mind. If you want, I can send you a DM of what all makeup products that I don't have, or maybe you can just gift me the same thing and I really wouldn't mind. So yeah, talking about my future, I actually wanted to go to Mumbai. There's this Namrata Soni School of Hair and Makeup. In case you guys don't know who Namrata Soni is, she's a celebrity makeup artist. So I wanted to go there. I wanted to like do learn makeup from her, you can say. Yeah, it wasn't possible because of the pandemic. I feel like 2020 is cursed. I don't know why I'm saying it, but I really feel like 2020 is cursed. So yeah, talking about me now, I'm a person who my favorite color is pink. I love anything pink, makeup pink, candies pink, clothes pink, accessories pink. I'm like this pink girl, you can call me. So yeah, I like pink, and I love horror movies, thriller movies, mysterious movies. My parents keep scolding me saying ki you'll get influenced by all this and all, but I don't think I really got affected by it. Like it really made an impact on my life and all. But yeah, maybe after a point it is bad to keep watching like thrillers and horrors and crime videos, because obviously they will affect your what do you say, affect your body or your nervous system somehow. So yeah, I think I put a little too much blush. I'm honestly out of words of what I should talk about, like about myself, because I don't obviously do this often or ever. But oh god, next time I do a session like this, I'm probably gonna keep like an IGTV story just so that you can ask me questions about what you want to know about me and all. Yeah, talking about my future plans, yeah, I told you I want to do like courses with her and probably work under her for like 2-3 years, then probably come back to Chennai. Yeah, I mean, I want to start my own beauty line, if that is going to be possible, touch wood. So yeah, talking about my future, about when I'll get married and all, I don't really know. I'm 21. I have a long way ahead. So yeah, probably I'm Brahmin. I'm Tamil Brahmin, and I would prefer a Tamil Brahmin because I do not eat non-veg. So yeah, I would prefer the Tamil Brahmin guy. Also, I am very lazy. I'm literally a couch potato. So the name of our channel is the Potato Fam. So if you didn't know, that it is. So I really don't know what to talk about. I really don't know. I mean, I'm literally blank. I really don't know what to talk about. I mean, I missed filming, honestly. I mean, I was really scared when my phone broke because, yeah, as I told you in the earlier part of the video, I don't have my brushes here, so I'm just using my hands in case you're wondering. So yeah, I really missed filming and taking videos, because those were the only times I could like really wear makeup. So yeah, I mean, makeup is life, dude. For me at least, I would choose anything over makeup. I mean, if you give me food and makeup, I don't really know what to choose, but makeup, I mean, probably first food and then makeup. But if it's like international brands and then food, it will obviously be international brands of makeup and then food. Yeah, I don't know what to talk about. I don't know what to talk about. Okay, I'll talk about my family members. So my dad is retired. He was working in the okay, I'm not going to pick it up because it'll be very awkward in the video. So yeah, my dad is used to work for ICICI Bank. He's a retired banker right now. So yeah, now he works with L&T Finance, I can say. I don't really know. He still works because he keeps pulling my leg saying who's going to pay for all your makeup items you buy every month and all. So yeah, my dad still works. He is 60. He's gonna be 61 this September 8th, if you all are wondering. And my mom is also working. I mean, yeah, she is also working. She works in Bank of Baroda. Her name is Asha. Like, her official name is Rajalakshmi, but her like pet name, not pet name, like ghar ka name is what's her name? Shit, Asha. Sorry. Her like official name is Rajalakshmi, and ghar mein we call her Asha. And my dad the same thing. His official name is Narayanan, and ghar mein we call him Ramesh. It's like Ramesh and Suresh from the 5-star ads. Lol. I really don't know what to talk about. So I'm talking about all nonsense. And Gandhi is okay. Gandhi is my grandfather. I call him Gandhi. So his name is Vishwanathan. Official name is Vishwanathan. Pet name is Vichu. If one of any of you whose name is Vishwanathan can obviously try and relate to it. And my grandmom's name is Shakuntala, and her pet name is Chakku, obviously. So yeah, I'm the only daughter in my family. I really always wanted a baby girl. I mean, not me as a baby girl, but I wanted a baby sister so that I can take care of her, teach her what to do, teach her what not to do, teach her all the pranks, teach her how to sneak out of the house, teach her all kinds of different crap. I always wanted to be an elder sister, but I turned out to be single, so you can't really complain. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just excited. I'm making this video. So yeah, I don't know what else to talk about. Don't look at me like that. Really, I feel bad that I'm not talking about anything. I think I blundered my inner eye pop and I did. I should have used my pinky finger for it. But anyway, coming back to talking about me, I do love black clothes, in case you're wondering, and in case you would have seen my previous videos, I usually do have only like black colored clothing. If you didn't realize, you can go check out my other videos, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be a part of the Potato Fam, and if you like my videos. I know this is not the outro, but I don't really know what to speak about myself. Next time I'm gonna like post it on Instagram, ask you guys कि क्या question पूछने हैं, and then I'll sit and make a video like this. So yeah, that's it. I'll probably finish my full face of makeup and then talk to you about the outro. Also, tell me how the new backdrop is. It's actually my bed sheet I use for like my bed, but yeah, I mean, Shein is also banned now, and I really can't buy can't search for anything as cheap as Shein and also has like a good quality. So right now I'm sticking with this. So I think I'm fine. I think I'm glowing a little too much, but that's fine. It's for a YouTube video, and we always like to go glam. This is gonna be so boring, I'm telling you. Please do like, okay? Please. Okay, I'm gonna use a setting spray now. Oh god, I feel like I'm drenched in water. I mean, it is a setting spray, but I'm gonna let this sit, and there is literally nothing to talk about me. Okay, I'll talk about my glasses. You guys know I have glasses, right? So yeah, I used to have um 0.5 and 0.75, but now it's like 0 and 0.5, which I think means that my power is reducing if that ever happens to anyone. I'm gonna put my lipstick now. Planning what lipstick to wear. What lipstick should I wear? What lipstick do you think I should wear? What lipstick should I wear? What lipstick should I wear? I'm gonna wear the 18M Irish coffee from Nykaa. I told you that I'll put everything in the description, but yeah, I will still put it in the description. This is not coming out of its packaging. About talking about lipsticks, I am a person who prefers nudes over like colors as in pinks and purples and maroons. Oh my god, maroons and reds. So I'm a person who prefers like a nude brown or a nude pink or a nude lipstick. So yeah, English is too much. Do you think it's too much? I'll probably tone it down a bit with these. So this is the final look. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I really missed filming. I mean, I just missed everything about filming. I missed like throwing my makeup everywhere, to cleaning my room, to putting a mirror here, putting lights, everything I missed. I mean, I'm gonna be so excited uploading this video. It'll probably come on the 29th or the 30th, not really sure, mostly on the 30th, but I'm surely gonna post on IGTV, so stay tuned for that. And it's probably already uploaded, but anyway, go watch it down. I'll link it down in the description box. So yeah, thank you guys. I mean, we hit 204. Like, I haven't even posted any video, but I got 4 more subscribers, which is actually really good and I feel really happy about. So I don't have corona, I'm just coughing because I had something cold last night. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you learned a little more about who I am and my family and my future plans and anything related to makeup. So yeah, please forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video on YouTube. Also follow me on my Instagram. Bye guys, love you all.